Hello everyone, Jackie Ding here, coming to you live from Super Lap Battle, Circuit of the Americas. Behind me is the PhD Racing AMS Performance Supra A90 that we've been time attacking. It's been fun. So for the engine package on this car, we've been running the AMS Alpha 6, which basically is their Garrett GTX 3076R Gen 2 Turbo Kit, coupled with their own charge pipe, down pipe, so on and so forth. The thing makes, with their new prototype intake manifold, 640 horsepower on our overkill map, which is, as we say, overkill. It's very fun. It's very responsive, which I think really helps in a road course situation where, you know, there's a lot of corners, there's a lot of dynamic situations where you need to react to the car very quickly, and you really need the car to be responsive. And to me, that was a big main part of this project, is making decent amount top end without sacrificing the response of potentially going with a bigger turbo. We are working with a lot of sponsors on this car for suspension components as well. Reinhardt R2 coilovers built in-house with TF Works. SPL parts, full catalog, everything they make is on this car. So all the lower control arms, the entire rear arms setup is completely custom. Custom PhD Racing alignment specs that we kind of hand out to all of our track day goer friends as well. They really help dial the car in the iBox sway bars as well. So a lot of adjustability to be able to play with the car in ways we wanted to, and to adjust it in ways that we need. So for the braking setup on this car, it's still relatively new and it's a very complicated setup, but for now we're running a StopTech trophy kit in the front and OE rear brakes with Counter Space Garage C21 race pads at the front, C11s in the back. On the aero side of things, we're running a brand new Space Sport Verus engineering design front splitter. It's a full one-piece, meaning the carbon, the tunnels within the splitter are not just bonded in, they're actually made along with the rest of the splitter, which is giving it extra strength, but it's making so much downforce today, it's causing us a lot of small issues here and there. For the safety on this car, roll bar is by Studio RSR. We specifically asked for a time attack style bar, which just includes one crossbar instead of two, because who needs passengers when you don't got friends? We have also the full, Sparco is also a big partner for us with their safety equipment. We have their Sparco Evo QRT seats for both driver and passenger. We'll be moving on to one of their full containment seat for the driver's side very soon, but for now, so the Evo QRT. 6-point harness by Sparco all the way. I have Hans device set up on this side as well, so definitely want to be on the safe side. Usually we will be running the Nankang Motorsport CR1s. It's one of the tires we helped develop throughout last year and into this year as well. The tire we're pretty proud of, and we always working with Titan 7 on their wheels package for this car. At our request, they ended up going for 18 by 10.7 wheel design. We have some even larger boys coming, so it'll be very exciting for that. For this specific event, thanks to GTA Super Lap Battle rules, we're on the Yokohama AO52s. Great tire. I'm not going to compare which one is better, because I think they're about even with the Nankangs. And, you know, I'd love to be able to support Jason and the friends here at Super Lap Battle in GTA. The season's definitely pretty interesting. We have a lot of strong competitors, freaking Namir with his NSX, Chris Mayfield in the A90 Supercharged M3. We have the Grid Life side, we have Alex Moss of the Green S2000, Sean Kresbach, one of y'all boys, you know. Yeah, it's just battle royale time, you know. Everybody, so many different chassis, so many different styles, so many different technology levels and approaches and ideas, and they're just bouncing off of each other, and everybody is all going for the stopwatch. And that, to me, that's the purity of time attack. That's the essence of time attack, where there isn't one right answer. There's several different approaches, and sometimes one is better than the other at one track, and conditions can change, tracks can change, times who's winning can change. It's all like that. It's super competitive, and we're all pushing each other to be better. So looking forward to the season. 2021 is going to be awesome. We have 20 events planned for the year. We're not going to be home a lot of times. We're going to be very tired on the road and trying to get things ready. But honestly, if you'd like to keep up with us, go ahead and follow Jackie Ding, PhD Racing on YouTube. We're also on Instagram as well, Jackie J Ding for my account, PhD Racing for the rest of the team. we're hoping to build this into a community where we can all just come out, have fun with cars, and enjoy them, and push ourselves to be better. So yeah, that's really about it. So thank you all for supporting, and keep following AMS Performance. They're good guys.